In today's video, we're going to look at linking eWelink and Google Home. Okay, open the eWelink app, click on the plus icon on the top right-hand corner, select Add Device, then click on the paperclip on the right-hand corner, select Google Home, click on the button Link with Google Assistant, and continue, look through the terms and conditions, and then agree, and then simply click Link. Go and do its magic and its thing, and then our devices will become available. Okay, I'm going to select them all, as I'm going to put them in the area which is my test bench, where all these devices do reside. On Add Room, they should have really made this area. Then select Home where these devices are, and click Next. Hit that button, More Devices. Now you can select a room, or scroll down to the bottom and select Custom Room like we're going to do here, and we shall name it Testing Bench. So we just put that over here. Smack that Continue button, and we're done. All our eWelink devices are now available in Google Home. If this helped in any way, please hit the like button, and if you would like to see more of this content, please subscribe. Thank you. This is Jason from I for Home Automation. See you in the next video.